Welcome to Economic Empire, where we make managing your money simple. Today, we're diving into a skill that's crucial for financial success: creating your first budget. Whether you're looking to save for a big goal or just trying to stop living paycheck to paycheck, you're in the right place. The importance of budgeting. So, why is a budget so important? Think of it as a roadmap for your finances. A budget guides you on how to spend your money wisely, ensuring that you're not only covering your necessities but also working towards your financial dreams. It's about making smart choices and taking control, and it all starts with a few simple steps. Step 1. Track your expenses. For the next month, keep a record of everything you spend money on, no matter how small. This includes that morning coffee, online subscriptions, and even the spare change you give away. To make this easier, you can use budgeting apps like Mint, in-app, You Need a Budget, or even a simple spreadsheet. The key here is consistency. Make sure to log expenses as they happen, so you don't forget anything. Step 2. Categorize your expenses. After you've tracked for a month, group your expenses into categories. Common ones include housing, food, utilities, transportation, entertainment, and savings. Seeing your spending laid out like this can be an eye-opener. You might notice you're spending a lot on things that aren't that important to you, which is valuable insight for the next step. Step 3. Set your financial goals. What are you budgeting for? Do you want to save for an emergency fund, pay off debt, or plan a vacation? Define clear, achievable goals. Once you have your goals, decide how much you need to save each month to make them a reality. This will directly influence how you allocate your money in your budget. Step 4. Create your budget. Based on your income, allocate funds to each expense category. Start with the essentials like rent and groceries, then allocate what's left to other categories, including savings and leisure. Here's where you may need to make adjustments. If your expenses are more than your income, you'll need to find areas to cut back. Remember, your budget isn't set in stone. It's a living document that you should review and adjust regularly. For those of you who love technology, budgeting apps can make this process much easier. They can connect to your bank accounts, categorize spending for you, and help you stay on track with your goals. If apps aren't your thing, don't worry. A simple spreadsheet or even pen and paper can be just as effective. The important thing is that you find a system that works for you and stick to it. Tips and best practices. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to keep in mind. First, be realistic. It's great to be ambitious with your savings, but setting your budget too tight may lead to frustration. Second, plan for the unexpected. Life is full of surprises, and a flexible budget can help you manage them without derailing your financial goals. And lastly, review your budget regularly. At least once a month, sit down and evaluate how you're doing. This will help you stay on track and make any necessary changes. And there you have it, your guide to creating your first budget. Remember, budgeting is about empowering yourself to make informed financial decisions that align with your goals and values. It might take a little time to get used to, but stay the course, and you'll see the rewards. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Economic Empire for more straightforward financial advice. Have any questions or want to share your budgeting success stories? Drop a comment below, we love hearing from you. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll talk about the top 5 money-saving tips everyone should know. Until then, keep your finances in check and your goals in sight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.